Okay, so after doing a little bit of looking into, some people in Chile that, do stuff like this, and with the NVIDIA 3070, God, I want this card to work. I haven't seen anybody talk about VBIOS, so maybe just changing the strapping is is what's needed. But then the next question is, if that's the case, then that means that I have a bad solder joint or like a bad solder connection. Crap. So maybe switching everything to low melt solder might be an idea. I mean, because it's the total temperature, it's not gonna get anywhere close to that. I don't know, because 90 degrees, like the low melt is 186, 192, somewhere around there. Crud. I'm thinking because like I don't have like a reflow station or like an infrared station or anything like that, so that's not gonna be. Yeah, I've got like a quick 861 DW. Go to store.rossmangroup.com. I don't know.